Question number 31. A proton of velocity v enters the region of electric and magnetic fields. Okay. The proton is not deflected. See, if it enters an electric and magnetic field, in an electric field, it should either be accelerated or it should take a deflection like this. Okay. In a magnetic field, definitely it should take a turn. Now, if electric field deflects it like this, magnetic field should deflect it like this, so that the proton's velocity does not change. Velocity means what? The value of it, and as well as the direction is not changing. It's going in the same way. So somewhere this Fe should be equal to Fb, right? The force is acting, not the electric and magnetic fields. The force which is acting on the electron due to electric field and due to magnetic field are equal and opposite in nature. Okay. So if I write this, Fe should be equal to Fb. This is the condition being seen. Now, which is correct about the paths of the electron and alpha particle? So towards it, what is the force acting on the charge? The electric force, which is nothing but Q into A, and due to the magnetic field, it should be Q into V into B. So Q goes away here, and I have E equal to V into B. So this E equal to V into B does not consist of proton, it does not consist of charge, does not consist of a mass over here. So therefore, now look at this electron and alpha particle. These are charged particles and also have a mass. So anyway, it will not get affected over here. So both of them will not get deflected. Okay. So if at all, if you had a negative charge here, or maybe if it was independent, if it was dependent on the charge over here, you could have said electron is getting more deflected, alpha particle is getting less deflected. Something you could have said. But unfortunately, there is nothing been mentioned over here. So you have E equal to V by B, or V is equal to E by B. Which means what? The velocity of an electron, velocity of a particle, whether it is charged, uncharged, whatever it is equal to the ratio of the fields over here if it should not get deflected. So which is seen in case of a proton, the same will be observed even in case of an electron, neutron, alpha particle, or any other particle in nature. Okay.